MeghalayaPost.news.
Nakada ko jinglong jingman kabalakta ya ka syongsuk ka syongsan gipat ba Rilum Garo barbalamiru ka Jingïakynad ka bajuro padang gipat Garo bat kibam de Rilum halor ka jing persya gipat ba bantebut neya khun ha ka election GHADC palapan bej banlong ha ka shpotrik we yong arhajar apun rio barmanta ka singi ka kenhun ki menteri Sorkar ka jila kilashim ka we karai bandang Pynjlan beang ya ka election MDC ha GHADC ya ka ni le thu do ba prastun tan song bode sambut menteri ka jila bar menteri bade pen ya ka district council affairs ha bakran shikilat pathai khubor menta ka singi hadian ka Jingïakynad lang ka kenhun ki menteri hanong ba shilong ula ong ru baka Sorkar leng baka rajong ka kenhun ki menteri Sorkar kalarai ban Pynjlan san riu Bnai na ka bantawan penlong ya ka election MDC ha GHADC bat kani jing Pynjlan ya kani ka election ka deiru halor ka jinglong jingman bat ka Jingïakynad ki balami Rilum Garo ula ya thu ru dei hadin ka jingatai ka bajalan por ka kenhun ki menteri Sorkar kalashemi karai ban Pynjlan ya ka election MDC ha GHADC ka ban sedang nadu ka khatpra tarik uyayong arhajar arpun riu hadu ka khatpra tarik urisau arhajar arpun riu.
After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. It should be after 18 April because see, the extension will be effective from 18 April 2026 up to again 18 of October 2026. We are open to this. From the government side, we are open. Because see, the new EC, the new executive committee and the new CM has to take the responsibility. Side by side, even the government will also take the responsibility of calling, inviting for discussion across the table in the level of the government under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister and as well as in the level of the CEM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, because we would like to ultimately carry along everybody and to meet the aspirations of people. I think this is the common phenomena. You can't just say like that. Since about 21 MDCs, I think you knew it well, that day before yesterday, they paraded themselves and met the Honorable Governor. All the 21 of them, as per the rules. Since they are there 20 and above, so the Governor ultimately, in his wisdom, take a call or take a decision, and accordingly that day he decided that the issue of CEM or the issue of leadership needs to be proved inside the house. That's why special session was called, because you need to understand one thing. CEM and chairman of this council is the elected post. It's a constitutional post. If you want to remove, it should be inside the house, not outside the house. It should be inside the house, prove the majority. But let me just tell you one thing. Today, before the session starts, the former CM of the District Council, Shri Albinos Armara, he submitted his resignation well before he faced the no confidence inside the house.
MeghalayaPost.news.